y'all, put your gloves on. We're trying new colors today. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, haven't even opened it yet. I don't even know what it looks like. I don't even know what color this is. Okay, I've heard of Chartreuse, but I don't know. I honestly don't know what it is. So it's Dharma Trading. It's fiber reactive, so it's a natural procyon dye. If you mix this to the manufacturer's specification, it's going to be 2 teaspoons per 1 cup, or 8 ounces. I'm going to do the hot water irrigation with this color. Why? Why do I always do hot water irrigation when I do these new color product reviews? Because this is not a primary color. I want to see how it breaks out. I want to see what the mix is that makes Chartreuse a real thing. So, you know, it's going to break out into its other basic colors, and we're going to see that. So this is a spiral. So what I'm going to do with this is use my little spoon, sprinkle it across there. I'm going to dust it with some extra soda ash. And then we're going to put some hot water on it. We're going to irrigate it with hot water. And then we're going to wait and see. So here's the big reveal. I haven't even opened it yet. You ready? Okay. Oh my gosh, took the tape off. Put it on my Cthulhu lamp. Okay, I've already done a mess of dyeing, and my gloves are just destroyed. So it's like, I don't even know why I'm wearing them. I swear. Okay, here we go. Ready? 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 Oh, what's it look like? What does it look like? Let's find out together. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's gold. Well, I mean, the dye powder is gold, but we don't know how it's going to break out, right? So let's do this. Are you ready? So I've just got my spoon, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on this spiral. I'm going to be pretty liberal with it because I really, really want to see what this looks like. And I only put it on one side. I don't flip it over and do the other side, because that's just how I roll. It's just how I do. Look at this gold. Look at that gold. Look at that on there. That is gorgeous. Let me get this soda ash in my little cup. We're going to liberally put some soda ash on there, because you know this shirt was prepped and soaked in a soda ash water solution, but we're just going to give it some oomph. I can't wait to pour the water. Are you ready? I'm so ready. Okay, let's put the kettle on. Okay, ready? Sorry for the steam. Is it going to be green? Is gold, yellow, orange? What color is this going to be? I'm sorry I'm shouting, but I'm so excited. Duh. Oh, it's green! Oh, look! Oh, hi, friend. Look at this color. It's like when summer gives up, right? And allows fall to move in. It's like summer's sublet is up and fall's coming to stay for a minute, and this is what will go. Oh, okay. This is like avocado. A lot. I have ideas in my head. In my head. Chartreuse, chartreuse, and turquoise. Do you see it in your head? Yes, I am an awesome singer. Oh my god! This is fall. I'm stupid happy about this. Oh. Alright, we're gonna let this set. Yeah. Okay, I had to take a minute with that Chartreuse. So now I have a crinkle. This is Dharma Trading. I've tried a bunch of powder dyes, Procyon natural fiber dyes. I keep going back to Dharma. It's all I'll use. I mean, somebody could be like, but you should try it. I'd be like, nope, I'm gonna go back to Dharma. They are consistent across the board. For me, for what I do, from my experience, consistency is key. Love these guys. Love these guys. So this is Alpine Blue. Alpine Blue, I'm going to guess, is going to be a light color. Thinking like robin's egg. You've seen me use robin's egg before. And again, I'm going to do a hot water irrigation because I'm going to do an over dye. So that's going to be part 2 next week. Okay, y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go. And dun dun dun, the anticipate. Oh, hey, Holla. Hey, that's a lot darker than I was expecting. Can you see that? I can't get my light in there. Hang on one second. There we go. Oh my God, so much engineering with my little desk lamp. I was expecting lighter. Okay, let's do this. You ready? Let's do this. Again, I've got my little handy dandy little spoon. If we're going to mix this one to the manufacturer's specification from Dharma Trading, this is 2 teaspoons per 8 ounce, just so you know. So I like this. It's sandy is the only way I know to describe it. Some of them are very tight powder, and they don't sprinkle like this. They just clump out of the spoon. This is a, I don't know what you use to describe this word or this spit. It's sandy compared to the Chartreuse, which kind of was lumpy. So it's really real easy to get a ton of coverage because it just sprinkles on so good. Okay, so now we're going to zhuzh it up. Give it a little extra shot of some soda ash. Help that color stay bright and really get deep into the fibers of this shirt. Okay, and let's put the kettle on. Okay, we ready? How dark or how light do we think this is going to be? And again, sorry for the stain. Wow. Okay, this reminds me of the old Brilliant Blue before it was reformulated by Dharma. This, do you see? I love blue. I love blue. This is like my favorite kind of blue. We're royally, we're light, we're mixing it up. I'm only going to do one side because that's how I roll. Let it soak through. That way we get all this breakdown of all of this light and dark, and we'll get some speckling, and we'll get some peaks and valleys. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Like Caribbean or wow. That is a pretty blue. That is a pretty, pretty blue. Okay, let's let it cool off. Anticipation. Oh. Okay, here's the Alpine Blue that we did. It's a blue. It's a primary. So we had some breakout, but not like we would if it was a mixed color, okay? But we've got, in this crinkle, where there was concentrations of the Alpine Blue, and then where it just fell through with the hot water. Let's get a little closer, personal. But we had this huge concentration here of this Alpine Blue where it laid on the top of the crinkle. And then as it bled through the shirt, oh look, there's a cookie hair right there. As it bled through the shirt, it got lighter and lighter and lighter. So I don't know what color Alpine Blue is yet, because is it this color of the concentration? Is it this color where it starts to bleed out over into here? Which is the true Alpine Blue? That's today's mystery. So we're going to have to definitely revisit the Alpine Blue and see what we think of it when it's mixed in with liquid and put into a different design. The other thing that I like about these hot water irrigations, yes, I said it correctly this time, is it gives you a good base color. So now we can jump off of this beautiful blue background and do an over dye. And we're going to do that next week. But wait, there's more. Can't you stand it? This is Chartreuse. Do you see this green? Oh my God. I'm losing my mind over this. I really am. So when I was pouring, if you remember, I said, oh, this is very avocado-y. This shirt is the avocado when we did the last product review of a color. So this is the avocado color. And it's so much darker. This is, and it's more rich, right? Look how bright, look how vibrant this Chartreuse is. Oh, wait, look. So not only do we have this gorgeous green, but look where it was concentrated, and look how it broke out, right? So here's our spiral, right? But then there's the concentration that broke out into that burst of that golden yellow, maybe even, is that orange? I don't know. Oh, but look at that spiral. Look at that spiral. And we've got some little shimmers of light blue in here, of course, because, you know, blue and yellow make green. Blue, yellow, make green. And that's the fun. That's the fun when you are using a secondary or tertiary color, because it's going to break out into its components, into its primaries. Look how that broke out. Oh, it held true. It held true. Yellow and blue make a gorgeous green. And then the same, so we have this awesome spiral, right? In this color with this burst. We can over dye this one as well. So you guys stay tuned, because next week I'm going to show you about over dyeing. I've done over dyeing once, and it was a long time ago. I've gotten a lot better with it since. So just consider this video part 1. Next week we'll have part 2, and we'll talk about the over dyes. And I'll show you some fun ways to do over dye with the hot water irrigation. A little bit more instant gratification than doing the liquid dyes where you have to wait 2 or 3 days before you rinse out. So come back and see me next week. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. You guys know the spiel. My content's loaded. My content's loaded. My channel is loaded with content. From tie-dye to jewelry making to crocheting, spirituality, my life, just a little bit of my life, vacations come in. I just like to share it with you guys. And I'm so grateful that you like to just come and hang out with me. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. Hey, try something new today. Who knows? You might like it. I'll see you next week. Daddy's home. Please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a video. I'll make sure I put it in a video. Videos. Please like and subscribe. Take 3. Thumbnail. It's dark in here.